Hi everyone, it's Tammy and I have a sticker haul here from Etsy, and it's a shop called Stickersters. Goodness gracious, why is this so hard to say? Stickersters. I've done their hauls before, so I should be better versed at this, but Stickersters. It's sticker and then stirs, so they're sisters and stickers. So I think that's how they came up with the name. I could be totally wrong with that, but that's what it makes me think of anyway. Here we go, Stickersters. Super cute, super awesome, super affordable. And you can go find them at stickersters.etsy.com, and I'll try to remember to put the link below. If I forget, just kindly remind me, and I'll be happy to put it there. And this looks like a sample, a free sample. This is cute. It's a pretty blue. I like the little banner things. Those are really cute. And the bows. And this says, don't call it a dream, call it a plan. Stickersters. Alright, so they were having a big sale a couple or 3 weeks ago, and I went ahead and ordered some things. So I don't even remember exactly what I got, but let's see. Together. This is really cute. I love these, the vintage looking Santa and the potpourri, and I love the critters, of course. It's really cute. And this is called Merry Christmas, it looks like. And then there's little bows that will do the separating. Won't adult, can't adult, canceled, rescheduled. And then there's little arrows with functionals on them and some bows down here. Didn't even look like they were cut, but they are. I thought, oh no, are those not stickers? But they sure are. So cute. That's really cute. I like that a lot. And then these are strings of lights. So I thought that would be really cute at the holidays to put those down. You could use it like to mark a vacation or whatever you want. I thought it was really cute. And this one's called Old Fashioned. And it's 2 pages, and oh my goodness. This totally reminds me of Christmas cards when I was a kid. I love these. I mean, these are even older images than me, if you can believe it. I know, I'm old, but these are way older. These are like from the 50s, I think. And they are just too cute. I love that old-fashioned Santa. And that one too. Gosh, just so cute. And then here is the second kind of functional page of that. Looks like the second pages are about the same. They have, yeah, so that's kind of cool. Very cute. Oh, and this one's called Get Crafty. Look how cute this is with the little unicorn. I rescue craft supplies. I'm not a hoarder, I'm a hero. Crafting is happiness. Crafting each day keeps the crazy away. I craft so hard. That's so cute. And there's even knitting and paper crafting, washi tape, and then crafting makes everything better, even Mondays. Super cute. That's a really cute one. And this one's kind of cute. It has a pin, so it looks like the pin goes through. I thought that was kind of neat, and it's called planner pins. That's really cute. This one's called Coverups, and I am loving how cute those are. The little flamingo and the drink. Oh my gosh, I want that. I don't know what that is, but it looks phenomenal. Oh. And then there are check boxes. Oh my gosh, look at how cute this one is. Furry Friends. Oh my goodness. Of course, you know I love the hedgehog, and I love that he's featured. And look at that guy. Oh my goodness. Those are so cute. He looks like Eeyore. And then here's the weekend These are adorable. And then these are fun. They are corner stickers, but they have little spider webs hanging from them. That's really neat. I'm going to try to separate some of these, so I have just, so here's holiday stickers, Crafty stickers, like kits, I guess. I don't know if those are. My pup is yelling. His dad's in there. These are Hello Autumn, and it looks like I got a whole kit of these. My goodness, I got a lot. These are gorgeous, though. No wonder I got a lot. Oh my goodness. That little girl is so cute. It has the pumpkin spice latte and the big pumpkin. Oh, this is my favorite time of year. September, happy pumpkin and spice season. Fall is in the air. October. And so the harvest begins. Give me my pumpkin spice and I'll be nice. Then there's even November lattes, leaves, and planters. Oh, yes, please. Then here's this full boxes. Leaves are falling. Autumn is calling. And these look like little clipboards. And then here are some quarter boxes and some trackers. Some headers and functionals. Some washi and day and date. And then we're back. So that is adorable, and that's a whole kit. Oh, and these are super cute. These are me time. Keep calm and pamper yourself. Oh my goodness, that's adorable. Put that one over there. Here's, oh my goodness, spooky Halloween. Oh, it looks like I got the kit of this one too, which is, again, no wonder because these are so cute. Oh my gosh. So the vintage Halloween, which is too neat. Actually, some of them are kind of creepy, but that is awesome. I'm loving it. And then there's this one. Oh my gosh, these are so cool. On Halloween, the witches play. Beware, beware. Oh my gosh, there's a whole nother page of them. Hope your Halloween is more delightful. So cute. And then here are the clipboard boxes and the like headers or whatever, or quarter boxes. These are the headers and check boxes. Look at this cool washi with the spiders and the day and dates. And then there's, I don't think we saw this, did we? Or did we? Yes, we did, because I said that was creepy, because that one is creepy. So there's some Halloween ones, and here's another winter, and this looks like a winter kit. Yes. Hello Winter. And it has that same little girl again, and oh my gosh, these are so adorable. I absolutely love them. It is the season to sparkle, cold hands, warm heart, Santa's official nice list. And this one has December on it. Have an ice day. Winter is my favorite time of the year, which isn't true for me, but I love winter. It's my second, probably. I don't know, look at that snowman. He's so cute. So just adorable. And the clipboards for this one. And the quarter boxes and functionals. Ooh, and the washi, that's fun. And then we're back to that. So that's what I got from Stickersters. Really cute. A couple Christmassy and wintry kits, Halloween kit, and then some wonderful fall. And then even just a few fun ones, and one that I can use, or in some that I can use now or whenever, because they're adorable. So that's that. So thanks for watching, and I hope that you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.